Today my lecture is about research process. I'll give you an overview of the research process. Research process consists of series of systematic steps for conducting any research. These are identifying research problem, formulating research problem, hypothesis development, theoretical framework, research design and plan, data collection, data processing and analysis, testing hypothesis, interpretation and conclusion, presentation of result, report writing. Here is the flow chart of these research steps. Identifying research problem. A research problem is a problem that requires a researcher to pursue it with a view to find out the best solution in a systematic and organized manner. The research problem can be any phenomena or issue or any topic. Research process start with the selection of topic, which can be any general area of study. Researcher has to specify the area of interest from which he wants to conduct a research. For selecting topic, first of all, the researcher start from broad area of study and then narrow down the topic to some specific area. After selecting the topic, the researcher should state the cause of the problem or issue and also should state the impact or effect of the problem or issue. The research problem should be of interest to researcher, ensure some degree of originality, have theoretical or practical significance, add to existing knowledge in a meaningful way, be researchable, feasible, and ethical. Sources for research problem or topics are experienced professional in research. The researcher can take guidelines from experienced professionals while starting any research. Researcher professional experience or interest, current issues, research and professional literature. Formulating research problem. After identifying research problem, researcher has to formulate the research problem. Formulating research problem means defining a problem, refining or redefining the problem through literature review, individual and group discussions. Defining a problem means stating the research problem from background information obtained, stating the problem in general manner. Redefining or redefining the problem. The research problem is refined through discussion, review of the relevant literature. After them, the researcher is in a position to narrow down it from broad area to some specific aspects. In this way, a well-structured problem statement can be formed or stated. Literature review. For conducting any research, literature review is essential in order to identify all the related research or to link current research to past research. Literature review is required to formulate the research problem and to develop any theoretical and conceptual framework. Literature review plays an important role in shaping a research problem. It brings clarity and focus to research problem, improve research methodology, broaden knowledge in research area. The goals of literature review are to get familiarity with research topic, to get knowledge about major issues in that topics, to get background information, to get direction for current research which a researcher intends to do, and helps in developing conceptual or theoretical framework. Literature review can be self-study reviews, context reviews, historical reviews, theoretical reviews, integrative review, methodological review. Research literature can be found online from journals, reports, documents, etc. For conducting a literature review, researcher has to search existing literature relevant to the topic, review selected literature, identifying research issues and gaps, develop conceptual and theoretical framework.